So hey guys, welcome back once again in this YouTube channel, and this is Masum as always. So now in this video I am sharing with you total 5 points, 5 do's and don'ts. By applying those you can be a fluent speaker. So before that, please do subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos, and let me know in which topic you want a video or next time. So to become a fluent speaker, what you need to do here, what I mean that number 1 point is always be clear and slow. So in this point I want to share with you that you should speak slowly and carefully, pronounce the word carefully. So don't rush or speak quickly or speak too fast, because in this way no one will understand you correctly. And point number 2 is, in this point I want to share with you that be confident. To own your words, raise your chin and make eye contact while you will speak with someone. So what you not to do while you will speak with someone, don't look down or don't mumble, because confidence is the key. And point number 3 is don't translate. Although I have shared with you that on my previous video that you should translate from your mother tongue in English to speak in English, but in this point what I mean to say that don't translate. Try to think in English instead of translating it from your mother tongue to English, because while you want to try to translate each and every sentences from your mother tongue to English, then you will get slow, and day by day, instead of improving, your English level will get at a stage of low. And point number 3, emulate native speakers. In this point what I mean to say that watch TV shows, listen to English songs, and follow your YouTubers. Like you can follow me to speak in English fluently, because in this way we can grow together. What you don't need to do is that fear of making mistakes, because it's a stepping stone to become fluent. And point number 4 is, in this point I want to share with you that grammar check. Okay, so you should check the grammar while you will speak, but don't overthink. Don't use don't use extra grammar rules, because if you know the extra grammar rules like C1 advanced grammar, then you can apply. Otherwise you can use basic English grammar. Just try to learn the fundamental of English grammar to become a fluent speaker, and for the confidence also. So in this point what you not need to do that got bogged down by tiny details, because communication first. And one more bonus point is that you should keep practicing, because consistency and practice make man's perfect. Until and unless you practice, you could not become a fluent speaker. I hope you have already got me. So if you find this video more helpful, then please subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos, share my videos. So meet you soon on my next videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.